Chapter 2. At the life zone, the Naomi bees are agitated. They can sense in the sticky heat an impending storm. All around them is the busy clatter of preparation and restoration. Humans are working together to share big ideas. Today they are planting lots of food the Naomi birds like to eat. Foods the Naomi know are ancient, but they haven't been able to find on this land in decades past. The Naomi sense each human that comes and goes from the site, noting the absence today of the one called Iluka. Iluka talks to the Naomi, letting them know what is going on and what is being planted. Iluka always asks for permission before taking their honey. It is the vibrant and busy energy of Edna the Naomi sense instead. Like Iluka, Edna spends most of her time living and working at the life zone. The Naomi pick up on her organisational energy, hear her big laugh float from the camping area. But the Naomi also sense the loss that Edna has experienced, understanding from her songs that she once called a different land home. The Naomi scouts carry to their hive Edna's songs about rising oceans and leaving her island home. Like the humans, the Naomi have had to adapt to new places as the climate shifts around them. Today, the Naomi are busy collecting pollen. They are preparing for the big storm, stockpiling food in case they can't get outside for a few days. They gather, wondering when Iluka will be back to help. The Naomi see the humans stockpiling too. As if sensing their unease, Edna checks their nests among the macadamia orchard. She speaks gently to the Naomi. Don't worry, Iluka will be back soon with a team to help harvest the dancing grass. Edna turns to leave, as if spurred by a sudden gust of wind. I've got to get back to organising the meals ready for this storm. The Naomi sense the tyres on the gravel road entering the life zone. Humans of all ages pile out of cars and off the back of ute trays. A few more arrive by bicycle. Our new harvesters are here and ready to learn, a voice calls out. The Naomi make out the familiar form of Iluka. Welcome, Edna says and moves to greet them. A few of the scouts float after Iluka and Edna towards the camp area of the life zone. Hello, Naomi, murmurs Iluka. Busy preparing for the storm, I see. As dusk falls and a campfire is started, the Naomi begin returning to their hive. They take one last trip past Iluka, sitting around the fire with an eager group of children. Let's learn about Naomi bees, Iluka says softly to the group as they huddle together under the brewing night skies. Behind them, the dancing grass feels warm, salty air ripple over its field. It knows the harvest must wait for the storm to pass.